Can you really make $100 a day using ClickFunnels, even if you're starting from scratch? I decided to find out, and in this video, I'll walk you through my 7-day experiment using ClickFunnels to build a simple affiliate funnel from the ground up. No email list, no paid ads, no magic tricks, just real strategy. Let's break it down. Step 1, the funnel. I started with a lead magnet funnel. I offered a free funnel starter guide as a PDF, valuable enough to attract leads, but simple to create. When someone opted in, they were redirected to a bridge page, where I introduced ClickFunnels and explained how it helped me. Below that video was my affiliate link, leading to the free trial offer. I also set up a 5-day email sequence to educate and promote ClickFunnels to the new subscribers. Step 2, the traffic, no paid ads here. I used free traffic sources, YouTube Shorts with quick funnel tips, value posts in Facebook groups, a few tweets and Instagram reels targeting entrepreneurs. Each post linked back to my lead magnet funnel. The results? Day 1, 0 leads. Day 2, you 4 leads, no sales. Day 3, 1 sale. That's 30-80-80 in commission. By day 7, I had 3 new ClickFunnels trials and made $116.40 in commissions. But here's the best part. Those are recurring commissions. Meaning, if those users stay, I'll earn $100 plus every month, not just once. So, can you make $100 a day with ClickFunnels? Yes, but it won't happen overnight. It takes a real strategy, consistent action, and traffic. But once it clicks, it can become a predictable, passive income stream. Want to copy the funnel I used in this experiment? Check the video description for the template and free ClickFunnels trial. And don't forget to subscribe for more real experiments, honest reviews, and smart affiliate strategies. Thanks for watching. Now go test it for yourself and build your $100 day funnel.